Okay, in this video we're going to have a go at germinating mango seed. So first off you're going to need a mango fruit, as you can see. And we're going to chop this open to get to the seed. We may pause and eat the fruit, but you know. Slice it open without pressing your fingers off. Oh, lovely, look at that. And hopefully there's a decent viable seed inside here. We're going to open up the hard shell on the outside of the seed, and then we're going to place it in some kitchen towel and then into a Ziploc bag. And again, with the other videos I've done, you'll see a very similar process to a lot of the seeds that we're doing, just purely because it seems to work really well. I mean, you can put these seeds straight into soil if you wish, or a soil-less mix. But we're going to stick with a Ziploc bag for this and see how it goes. Okay, so we've stripped the seed at the fruit, and now what we need to do is split the shell. In most cases there's usually a split. If you look around the case and you'll see there's a little split there. You can get your fingers in, or a sharp knife, or even a screwdriver, flat-ended screwdriver, just to prise it open. Some people cut it as well, but like I say, in most cases there's usually a split at the one end. You can just get your fingers in there and prise it open like this. Can be a bit hard, but just be careful not to go too mad in case there's roots growing inside. There we go, one mango seed. And you can see there's already some ink starting to happen there. It shouldn't take too long. So what we're going to do with this one is put it again onto a kitchen towel. Keep it very moist. Let's just moisten that first. I've used 2 pieces of kitchen towel here, by the way. There's actually 2 large pieces folded and folded again. Just to obviously a bigger seed. Fold it over like that. Not too wet as usual. But enough water to last it a week or 2 in a sealed bag. Right, so into the Ziploc bag. This should start germinating fairly quickly, but probably about 2 weeks before you want to take it out. Again, it depends on the temperature you store it at. Nice warm dark location to start it off with, and then when it's ready to pot up, I'll do another video potting it. And these mango plants make good house plants for a good few years until they're too big, then you have to stick them outside. But you know, if anything, even if you don't do it for fruit, they do make a nice house plant. But there you go, that's that done. And I'll just put the date on it, which is the 14th of January. Jan 14th. And I shall keep an eye on it. If for some reason it starts sprouting rapidly, then I shall do a video sooner. But probably about 2, maybe 3 weeks most before I start potting this up. And just keep an eye out. So subscribe and you can keep up to date. And check out the other videos. There's a few different things on at the moment. And we'll be doing some more cherries and various other seeds. Okay, thank you very much. Bye now.